Hello friends, in this session I am going to explain about the Y parameters. The one more name of the Y parameter is admittance parameter. Admittance means what? Admittance means it is a reciprocal of the conductance, right? Admittance parameter. Admittance parameter means it is called it as a reciprocal of the conductance. The unit of the admittance is ohms. The unit of is ohms or symbolical representation of that one. It is a reciprocal of the ohm at the symbol of that is the replica of the ohm symbol. It is called as a Y parameters, right? In this session we are going to explain about the Y parameters with the problems. We can go through it, right? Next, the terminal current can be expressed in terms of the terminal, the voltage. The Y terms are known as a admittance parameter. What is the meaning of that one? We can go to explain about that one. The definition of the Y parameter is the terminal's current can be expressed in terms of the terminal voltage. The Y terms are known as the admittance parameter and have units of the Siemens. Unit is Siemens also we can call it, and the ohms also we can call it Siemens. It is a unit of the admittance. The putting the above equation, for example, they have given that one, putting the equation here. I1 is a constant. It is equals to I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, right? Next is a I2 equals to Y21 V1 and Y22 V2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. It is a Y parameter representation in the matrix form. The putting the equation 1 and 2 in matrix form, right? Once again we can express the definition in terms of the symbolically and in the graphically. I1 in the matrix form, I1 I2 equals to Y11 Y12 Y21 Y22. In the matrix forms it is in the V1 V2. After solving the matrix we can get it this equation. Here what they have, the terminal of the current. Terminal of the current, this is a port network, correct? These are the symbols. The current is moving in this direction, this current is moving in this direction. I1 input current, I2 output current, right? The V1 V2 two port network. This one is a positive and negative, positive and negative, right? Equals to, we can define in the equation The y terms are called as the void parameters and have the units of Siemens. Can be evaluated the setting equals to first one. We can use the equation 1 v1 equals to, it is the governing the equation of the y parameters when v1 equals to 0. v1 equals to 0. It is the evaluated by setting the v1 equals to 0 in equation 1. We can get it equals to y12 equals to I1 by v2. Right? When v1 equals to 0 in equation 2, we can get it y22 equals to I2 by v2. Correct? I2 by v2. These are the equations of the y parameters in the y12 and y22. Next, we can go through the when v2 equals to 0 in equation 1 equals to, what will you get it? v2 equals to 0. y11 equals to I1 by v1, and when v2 equals to 0 in equation 2, y21 equals to I2 by v1. These are the equation when the v1 equals to 0, when v1 equals to 0, when v2 equals to 0, when v2 equals to 0. These are the equations. We got it from the z parameters. It is the y12 and the y21. The network is said to be reciprocal network. If y12 equals to y21, y12 equals to y21, the network said to reciprocal network. It is called as a reciprocal network. And also, if y11 equals to y22, the network is called symmetrical network. The network is called symmetric network. You can call it as a symmetric network. This is the reciprocal network. y12, y21 can be moderated for the equivalent circuit. We can draw it by the equivalent circuit of this one is this one is a V1, correct? This one is a V1. Current is flowing I1 in this direction with the help of this one y11 V1. This one is a parallel with the y12 V2. Right? This one is a y21 v1 y22 v2 with respect to the voltage v2, the current is moving in this direction, output I2. And how can we define this one in the z parameter equals to, by the Ohm's law, V equals to I into R. I equals to V by R. 1 by R equals to admittance. Correct? That's why it is called as a VY, V by Y. V by Y, we can take it for the current, right? This is the equation for we are using by the Z parameters. Next, we are going to study about the example. We can take it and solve the Z parameter equations, right? Take the formula. How can we define that? Admittance means V equals to I into R. Correct? I equals to V by R. 1 by R is called as a admittance. Here also we can V by Y, we can take it. This is called it as a Y. 1 by R is called as a Y. Correct? These are the equations we can use. Then we can go through the problem. This is the diagram for that one. To solve the Y parameter method, the current is moving in this direction, I2 output current, input current, and the V1 and the V2s are the two voltages. For the equation of the Z parameter, I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equals to Y21 V1 Y22 V2. This is the equation of the Y parameter. The equation 1, apply the first resistor is 4 is parallel to 2. Is it true? Yes. V equals to I into R. It is a formula. Now this one is a V1. We can take it for the V1. And next, I1 is a current. I1 is a current. Right. Next, 4 is parallel to 2. Right. Equals to 4 into 2 divided by 6 into I1 equals to 4 by 3 I1. Correct? Before I told you the R, reciprocal of the R, we can call it as. Correct? Here Y11 equals to, what is that? I1 by V1. V1 by I1, we got it here. Correct? Now we can take it for the I1 V1 equals to, I1 by V1 equals to 3 by 4 equals to Y11 equals to 3 by 4. Y11 equals to 3 by 4. Correct? It is the, we can, symbolical representation is this one. Next, by current division rule. I2 equals to, it is in the negative symbol. I2 equals to, what will you get by? Right, opponent resistor 4, 4 plus 2 equals to 4 by 6, 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3 I1. This one is a I2 divided by I1, we can get it it is the wrong method for that one. Next, y21 equals to I2 by V1. Correct. I2 by V1. I2 equals to 2 by 3 I1. Correct. It is a plus. Next, V1 equals to, it is the equation here. V1 equals to 4 by 3 I1. I1 get cancelled. 2 by 3, 3 by 4 equals to, yes, it is the y21 I2 by V1, 2 by 3 I1, 4 by 3 I1, 4 by 3 V1 we can get it from this here, and 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 get cancels, 1 by 2 you can get it, it is in the 0.5 moles. We can use it, and then we can use for the equations. Next, it is consider mesh 2. Consider mesh 2. We can use it V2. That's the same procedure. V2 equals to I into R. Here I2 will come. R in the 8 is parallel to 2. We can use for the 16 divided by 10, 5, 2 8s are, 2 5s are, I2, 8 by 5, I2, we can get it. It is a Z, Y equals to, Y22 equals to V2 by, I2 by V2. Z22 equals to I2 by V2. Here we can I2 by V2 equals to 5 divided by 8. We can get it. Next, consider by the current division method. Same method. By equation, it is I1 equals to 8 divided by 8 plus 2 equals to 8 by 10. 2 4s are, 2 5s are. I2 will come 4 by 5 I2 equals to Y12 equals to, what is that one? Y21, Y22, Y21, Y11, Y12 equals to, Y12 equals to what will come? I1 by V2. I1 equals to 4 by 5 I2. By this equation, V2 equals to what will come? 8 by 5 I2. Correct. 4 by 5 into 5 by 8 equals to 1 by 2 equals to 0.5 moles. We can get it in the Z11, Z12, Z22, Z22 equals to Y11 is how much we got it? 3 by 4. Y12 equals to 1 by 2. Y21 equals to 1 by 2. Y22 equals to 5 by 8. This one is all are the same ones. We can use it also. We can find out this is a Z parameter equations with the problem we have solved. Next session, this is a very important for your examination. Please do work hard on that one. You can get a one question on this two-port network is confirmed. Okay, thank you. In the next session, we can go to explain about the H parameter or a hybrid parameter. Thank you.